Hey guys, this is Ernest Odell here, and just a real quick tutorial for the Qwikad classified sites. Many of you have requested some file information from me, and I've sent you a text file with my affiliate link. Yes, I do make a little bit of money on that, so if you do post a paid ad up there, I get paid a little bit. And you can also start an affiliate. But right now, what I want to do is show you how to, excuse me, post a banner ad, okay? You can post a free ad in all cities, all over the world. You can post them in U.S., different categories. But right now, what we're going to do is look at posting a banner ad. Click that, okay? And they will size your image. If you put a banner up, make sure it's a 728 by 90, what they call the super banner, the large banners. If you have anything bigger than that, it will be distorted because it will get squashed down, to 728 by 90. So if you got a big 600 by 400 or something like that, it's going to squash it down and it's going to really distort it. So make sure that you have a true 728 by 90. Now, if you don't have a banner and you need something generic, right here, you can click this and it'll open up in a new tab. And they've got banners here that you can use. You can save it to your computer. You need to make money fast. We can help. Right click, save that image. Okay, I'm on Google Chrome. So let's go to Qwikad, and let's make another folder here real quick for banners. Okay, and this shows BizOp1. It's a PNG, and we'll just save that. Okay, make real money working from home, no experience necessary. Let's save that. It's going to default to the same, laptop lifestyle, make money while you sleep. We'll just grab about 3 of them here, okay, and then we'll just go back and jump back over here. Now they do have different categories. They got make money categories. They've got online stores and sales, online boutique, love free stuff. We've got that too. They got biz ops and marketing. So these are kind of generic that you can use. Download them. Join our affiliate program. Let's save that one. Warning. Your website is about to experience an unprecedented amount of traffic. Breakthrough marketing secrets. Healthy living, we got health and beauty, love and dating. So they got a few varieties in here. Now there is also a program that you can download free is GIMP, G-I-M-P. And you can make banners, but that's another tutorial. So right now we're just going to get back to posting an ad. What you want to do is compose your ad if you can. Grab all your text that you want to put together into a text file and save it. I'm on Windows, so I'm using Notepad. It's just a simple text editor. If you're using Apple, you can use your text editor to put together your ad, okay? Get your text put together and your links. All right, so what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go in here and it says enter the link to the website. So I'm going to go back over here to my text file and I'm going to grab this link here because I've already got this set up on a redirect, the little guy. We'll enter that link, okay, and we'll choose a file. If we put this right here, or this one, this is a 790 by 557. This one here is a 1600 by 900. So let me throw that in there, and you see what it does. If it's bigger than a 728 by 90, it's going to distort it so you can't, see it. So we're going to dump that. We're going to trash that. We're going to go back, and we're going to go to the Qwikad folder. banners, and we're going to preview. Need to make money fast. Preview this one. Make real money working from home. Let's preview this one. Laptop lifestyle. Join our affiliate program, dozens of offers, special promotions and incentives. Start making money today, free to join. Okay, let's go and select this one. Need to make money fast. We can help. Tell me more. So let's go ahead and use this. All right. Now, it's not distorted because it's a true 728 by 90. All right. And we've got it connected with our redirect that we're going. So we want to put this up here and say your email address. I'll put my email address in there and put it in there again since it's already cookied in. And we're going to set it for 60 days for $3. Okay. And we're going to secure the payment via PayPal or Stripe. Okay. And we've got it up there for 60 days for $10. We're going to add the flashing featured sign for an extra $3. It's going to cost us $13. We'll pay for it with PayPal because PayPal is already connected to my bank. I can just buy stuff and I'll leave a little bit of money in there to pay for my ads. Okay. And we're going to pay for it now. And it's going to return me to the site. Okay. It's going to return me back. And I've posted it as a guest. You don't have to log in if you have an account here, but if you do, go to your account page. We'll log in and we'll see now it is being displayed. All right, so let's click on that, and there it is. And the link is Little Guy Turbo Payline, thelittleguy.turbopayline.com. We'll click on that, and it will take me over to my redirect site, which shows the kids. This never before seen footage finally goes live. Free video reveals how even the little guy can get paid 24/7 viral cash, blah, blah, blah. Click here. And it's going to take me over to my bridge page and jump page that is created by PLS. I'm going to skip the survey because I've already tested this, and then it'll take us over to the main page. Now you notice up here I've got it iframed into my redirect off of my hosting service and server. So there's a number of ways I can jump through the hoops to do this to get past some of the algorithms if I post it. All right, so there is our new page, one of our new pages. I've created my own bridge page, and then once they go over here, they click to start, and they just, sign up. So that's Qwikads. All right, posting a banner ad. Go to Qwikad.com, and when you get through here, we'll say log out right there, and I'll log out. Okay, so if you have some banners that you want to use, make sure that they're 728 by 90s. Display advertising is very effective. It still works if you use the right one. So let's go back real quick one more time. Let's go to Qwikad. All right. Let's log in. And we see our ads. Okay. Banner ads. And here's our latest banner ads. Okay. And grab that right there. And grab that, copy. I'm going to copy that link. Okay. Close that, log out, and then come back over to one of my groups and post that right there. Grab that, take that off, and send people over to Qwikad's, the little guy, or I can go in here and grab that link for the BizOp. And go in here and edit, post, HTTP. And the reason why I capitalize part of the URL, it's not case sensitive when you click it. It just makes it easier to read. Okay. Now they'll click that and they'll see that it's got the description on it. So now I've pasted it, but I've used a personal redirect that doesn't get flagged by the Facebook algorithms. This is not always guaranteed, because if you do this too much, they will pick up on it and they will look at it as spam. So just be careful. Now you know how to paste or make a banner ad with Qwikad. And we'll do another tutorial on placing script ads and written ads. We'll do that some other time. Thank you.